धरा धरी पका समस्त धरी पका धर हाँ धरी था नीचे कर दिया।
Thank you. And my
Go. Today.
Many years ago, our country, India, became the rule of other.
Speech. Hey.
Thank you. Thank you.
The national flag at the Red Fort, Delhi. At the Red Fort, Delhi, we should grateful to our freedom fighters. I love and respect my country. Jai Hind.
Very good.
Besides this, they remind us of the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters. This day is most important day for all. Today is the 78th Independence Day. First, I will wish Happy Independence Day. All a very happy Independence Day.
Devoted their entire life for independence of our country. We should always respect our freedom fighters. I am proud to be in India and I love my country very much. Let us work together to build a better future for our country. Now, I could like to conclude my speech. Thank you for listening me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
मेरे प्यारे मित्र, मैं अनीसा फातिमा आपके सामने शुभ अवसर स्वाधीनता दिवस के struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We should never forget them. We should pay tribute to their friends. My name is is a national festival of India. Happy Independence Day to all. Good morning, my honorable principal sir, my teachers, ma'am, my elder and younger brothers. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teachers, chief guest.
Honorable Secretary sir, President ma'am, respected principal sir, vice principal sir.
To celebrate the 78th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from British rule. These fighters of many freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and many.
First of all, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is